Hey everyone, it's Olivia, and today I'm going to show you how I paint. The first thing that I'm going to do is grab a surface to mix my paint on. I'm going to use a paper plate. Next, I'm going to grab some basic colors. And lastly, a couple paintbrushes. Next, I'm going to look on Pinterest. This is an optional step, but honestly, I find a lot of great ideas on here. Lately, I've been inspired by work that involves old vintage type ads where they cut or paste them onto a different scene. As you can see here, this lady's vacuuming the beach. Your next step is deciding where you're going to paint. Choosing a location to paint can be based on the subject of your painting or simply just trying to find a comfortable, calm space to paint. Today I'm going to paint on the beach. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up my area. I'm going to prop up my canvas and pour my paints and just create an area that I can get right to work. I apologize for the lady on the Maurice's bag staring at you. So this isn't going to get too technical. I'm not too picky on how I mix my colors, and I don't really follow any sort of set rules. So one thing I kind of discovered while I was painting was that I could mix a little bit of sand into the paint, and it creates a really nice texture. So as you can tell, I blend a lot. Technically, blending isn't always the best strategy, but since I'm not going for any specific colors, blending is fine for this painting. This video is a pretty laid-back explanation of my painting process. In the future, I could make a more in-depth instructional type video if that's of interest to anyone. And here are the final results. I've never painted with sand mixed into the paint, so I'm probably going to need to buy some sort of fixative spray to seal it and make sure it doesn't erode over time. Thank you everyone who watched the video, and I hope you liked it.